And if you do want a bit more education, there is a sale on until tomorrow, end of Q2, end of 30th of June. VTP reduction on the VTP stage 2 swing trading and stage 3 intraday trading. Okay, there's a QR code there or a bit.ly code, or just ping me if you've got questions. Next one is EEM, all right, the Emerging Market Equity ETF, okay? So this is always of interest to me, okay? It's especially if you're looking at like emerging market currencies. It's also good, interesting counterweight to sort of dollar in terms of what we're seeing. If you weren't aware, EEM it tracks large and mid cap emerging market equities. All right. As you can see for yourself, it's had a strong year, hasn't it? It has had a strong year. In fact, if you go back to the sort of Trump's tariff tantrum, as that low there of $40, well, you can see it's been, for the most part, that has been a fantastic run, hasn't it? Great trend. Deep pullback here, okay, at the sort of start of the war, earlier on this year. No surprise, pretty much everything did. The kind of thing I'm interested in is that we're up here at $70, but if we look at that, a couple of weeks ago we printed. I look at that as it's a bearish engulfing candle. It's a bearish key reversal candle as well. In that price pushed to a new high, but then rolled over and closed beneath the low of the previous candle. And then it also printed the same last week as well. So you've got two weekly engulfing candles, two weekly key reversals there. Okay, so. The thing about EEM, of course, is it's vulnerable, right, to any big moves in dollar, right, whether it be dollar bounce or a risk off move, all right. So, of course, what we have seen is, of course, we have seen that dollar strength, certainly over the last few weeks, and you have to wonder, well, is that what's also putting the brakes on EEM at the moment? Okay, can those kind of global equities hold up? Can it attract momentum, or is that price action on the weekly chart with the 70 kind of an indication that we are likely to see more continued dollar strength and maybe a drift lower back down towards the kind of 20 period moving average at 64? So that's why it's on my watch list. Okay, there's interesting price action to follow up with over the next few weeks.